G045. Goods receipt, invoice receipt, clearing account. Goods receipt, invoice receipt, clearing account. What is goods receipt, invoice receipt? For example, my company holds stock is 10. Company purchased 90 new product. So what's the new stock, total new stock? 90 plus 10, 100. So choosing G045, system automatically update the stock. Automatically update the stock. For that purpose, we choose GR, goods receipt, IR, invoice receipt, clearing account. Next, note. If client required controlling, then we activate controlling fields. First one, G002. What is G002? Internal order. In bracket. For every expenditure, we maintain orders like plant orders, admin expenses order, production order, etc. Next, G004. G004. Cost center. Cost center. Cost center. Next slide. Instead of G001, we use G004. Remember, if client required only finance, then we use G001. If your client required finance and controlling, that time we use G004. Right? Client required only finance, G001. Your client required finance and controlling, then G004. What is G001? That is also part of general expenses, finance expenses. Even in cost center also, cash goes out of the firm, expenditure nature. G004. Next line, G010. G010. Profit center accounting. What is profit center? Company sell the product, in that value some profit is there. Company sell the product, in that some profit is there. In finance, we use G029. What is G029? Revenue accounts, right? Instead of G029, we use G010. Next line, రాసుకోండి. Instead of G029, we use G010. Remember, whenever we say G004, along with finance, controlling properties apply. In G001, only finance properties. G004, finance with controlling properties. Finance with controlling properties. G029, only finance properties. G010, finance with controlling profit related properties. Profit center related properties. So, a clear understanding. Your client required only finance. G001, G029. If your client required finance and controlling, G004, G010. G010. Right? So, it totally depends on client. We never say every client implement controlling. Only manufacturing related clients implement controlling. Manufacturing related. Service, oil and gas, controlling not required. But they implement only finance. They implement only finance. Clear? Now, path. What's the batch company code? Toyota. What's the batch company code? Company code. What's the batch company name? Company name. Toyota Limited. Question mark lo unnaru. ఏ కంపెనీ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేస్తున్నాం ఇక్కడ? విచ్ కంపెనీ వి ఇంప్లిమెంట్? టొయోటా. దెన్ path. Financial accounting new, global setting new, ledgers, fields, define field status variant. Define field status variant. Execute. Note. In SAP, standard field status variant is 0001. Standard field status variant is 0001. Observe 0001. Standard. Select 0001 line. Double click on field status groups. Double click on field status groups. Observe total how many fields we have? 44. The 44 which are applicable to multiple functional modules. Which are applicable to multiple functional modules. What are the functional modules? Like finance, controlling, material management, production planning, sales and distribution, quality management, treasury management, etc. So, which are applicable to multiple. But here we discuss a limited modules. These are related to finance and controlling. So here our course is finance and controlling. So here just remember these fields. Clear? Now, I don't want to copy any data. Whatever we work on real time, the same which we learn. So mention only view document. In bracket mention only view documents. And remember, don't delete any data. Remember, don't delete any data. Right. Now, assign company code to field status variant. Assign company code to field status variant. Execute. Click on position. Company code T01. I guess this is not our server. Just a moment. 00. So table format first two lines. Same. Next heading, chart of accounts. Chart of accounts. What's the date today? 13, right? What's the next order? Chart of accounts. So explains group of general ledger accounts. Like liabilities, assets, revenues, expenses, etc. In SAP, chart of accounts are of three types. First one, operational chart of accounts, which means day-to-day transactions or invoice posting. Next, country specific chart of accounts. Which explains individual country wise. Individual country wise. Next, third one, group chart of accounts. Combination of operational and country specific. Note, in real time. We use group chart of account for consolidation in bracket group report, comma, console in bracket individual company report, individual company report. What are the two reports? Consolidation and console. Company report. Individual means each and every subsidiary company. Group reporting and individual company reporting. Since 2006, 2006, we are using group chart of accounts. From which year onwards? 2006 onwards, we are using group chart of accounts. Now, heading group chart of account. Use it for consolidating all company codes with different operating chart of account. With different operating chart of accounts. Belonging to a company, the assignment of group chart of account to a company code is not mandatory. This is also known as the corporate chart of account. For both operational and country specific. Operational and country specific. So from 2006 onwards, we are using only group chart of account. So for easy understanding, like, so what are our company codes? For example, I choose company codes like T001 Toyota Hyderabad and T002 Toyota Bangalore. So these are Indian companies. Along with this, I have one more subsidiary company located in outside. For example, I have a branch in Singapore. So T11 Toyota Singapore, like Singapore Changi underscore SGD Singapore, and one more Toyota Jorangis underscore SGD. Clear? So basically, how many chart of accounts we create? Four different chart of accounts. So for Hyderabad, one chart of account, Bangalore, one chart of account, Singapore, Changi, one chart of account, Jorangis, one chart of account. We used to create four different chart of accounts. So fine. If I create each and every company wise, that is operational chart of account. What's that? That is operational chart of account. But I client said generate group reporting. Group reporting. For that, what SAP do? Here, chart of accounts country wise. What's that? Chart of account country wise. Like which one? I maintain one group chart of account. So Toyota India. What's that? Toyota India. And again one more chart of account. Toyota Singapore. So Toyota India and Toyota Singapore. Fine. Country wise we generate report. But I want to know group reporting because all four companies together one group, Toyota only. But here what we do? In first company, we generate only Hyderabad report. Second one, only Bangalore report. But here, country wise report. What are the country branches we have? We have two different country, India and Singapore. Here, if I choose Toyota India, which it generate only India report. Singapore, only Singapore report. Then how to conclude India and Singapore report? There is no option. For that, SAP introduced the component that is group chart of account. Group chart of account. That is Toyota Limited. What's that? Toyota Limited. So means I create this chart of account. I create this chart of account. I map to multiple companies. Like map to multiple companies. So Toyota Limited. This is group. Under group is combination of Hyderabad, Bangalore, Changi, and Jorangis. Sir, I want to generate only Hyderabad report. I choose TO01. Only Bangalore, TO02. I want to generate entire reporting, group reporting, TO00. TO00 is combination of all four reports. TO01, only Hyderabad report. TO02, only Bangalore report. TO11, Changi report. TO12, Jorangis report. Clear? In this case, no need to maintain country-wise reporting because in group reporting, combination of operational and country specific. operational and country specific. Since 2006 onwards, we maintain this report. We maintain this configuration. Take out this diagram. టీఓ వైవో టీఏ టీఓ వైవో ఎక్కడ రైట్. Hope everyone understand. If you create group level, again you create one more chart of account for group. Instead of that, we maintain company code level, group chart of account. The chart of account which we assign to company code, which we assign to company code. Path, path. Financial accounting new. What again? Then now. General ledger accounting new. Master data. GL accounts. Separation. That first one. Edit chart of accounts list. Transaction code OB13. OB13. Observe. Financial accounting new. General ledger accounting new. Master data. GL accounts. Preparation. Edit chart of accounts list. Click on your entries. of account T000. Description Toyota chart of accounts. Description Toyota chart of account. Language English. Language English. Length of jail accounts 6. 6 means 6 characteristic. So controlling integration. Automatic creation of cost elements. Automatic creation of cost elements. Say not. Say SAB. Not. Controlling integrations are of two types. First one, manual creation of cost elements. Manual creation of cost elements. In bracket only finance. Second, I repeat, manual creation of cost elements only finance. Second one, automatic creation of cost elements. Automatic creation of cost elements. In bracket, controlling to finance integration. Means if your client required only finance, choose manual creation of cost. If your client required both finance and controlling, automatic creation of cost elements. Here we learn both finance and controlling. So we chose automatic creation of cost elements. What's that? Automatic creation of cost elements. Right. So do I create group level? Observe. We create chart of account at T000 group. No need to create group level. So I mentioned blank. If you create individual company wise, T001, again you create one more group. In T001, mention T000. T002, T000. But no need to create operating. So we directly maintain group level. Now we assign this group chart of account to company code. Heading assign company code. FICO chart of account. As in company code to chart of account. Transaction code /n OB62. Exact? OB62. Observe /n OB62. Click on position. Company code TO01. Company code means subsidiary company. And our chart of account is TO00. Toyota chart of account. Here for subsidiary 2 also TO00. Table format 2 lines. Right. Observe TO01 which it generate only Hyderabad report. TO02 only Bangalore report. TO00 combination of Hyderabad and Bangalore reports. Hyderabad and Bangalore report. So TO00 acts as group reporting. Same. Next, define account groups. So tomorrow class we will discuss the concept define account groups. Clear? Now questions please one by one. If you check this and date wise, clearly understand the content. Okay. For example, you want to check chart of account, just check the date and in your drive also check the date. Easy to identify the content. Yes. So any questions while practice? Unable to create FM area. Okay, fine. So just remind me by tomorrow's session. Great. That's I log in the education system and I just show that because in my system already it's activated. There it shows FM underscore function error. The view is obsolete. Use transaction FM underscore function. So for that, I just show the bypass method how to create that component. But basically, we create that method in real time. We never use that field. We never use that field. Instead of FM area, we activate cost center groups at the time of controlling cost center groups. That's yes, Manohar. So, boy, Brian. Any questions? No questions. Everything clear. All right. Okay, guys, convert this recording and mail you all. Thank you. Guys, this Friday, Saturday, Sunday, August 15th, 16th, 17th. Friday, Saturday, Sunday is a holiday. Will be a holiday. If you have any schedules, we can. But Monday we go for regular as usual sessions. Clear?